Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, what have we got? We've got a pasture-raised egg. Whoa, we got some beautifully fresh cucumbers, dare I say organic. This is Havarti cheese. That's some sourdough bread. Mayo. There's the mayo. That's butter, salt, and pepper. Hey, Mike Foster here. Guess what? It's another fried egg over toast. Simple recipe. I know you've been, shall I say, clamor? Have you been clamoring? Maybe, maybe not. I have been. That's all that matters. And I'm going to make this one fast, simple, and easy. Put that toast down, and I'll meet you at the stove. Alrighty, we've got a pan that's been set on medium. Put some butter down. Alright, let's get that mixy schmixy. I'm going to put that egg right here. Oh, I think that might be perfect. Okay. Let's see how we're doing with a little pepper. I like that. We'll put some salt and pepper on the cucumbers also. Make sure there's plenty of butter here. Medium. Just wants to be in this corner here. Guess what? I'm in charge, not you. Alright. How we doing? Probably just another 30 seconds, then we'll do the old, I like to call it the flipperoo. That's what it's called, so that's what we'll do. Alright, we're ready for a flip peruvi. There's that baby. Shut it off. Let's go put the rest of this bad boy together. It's done. Toast is done. You put the mayo on it. Squeaky. Then you take these beautiful, when I say beautiful, I mean that, not in a bad way, cucumbers. What's not to love about a beautiful cucumber? They're babies. All right. There seems to be an extra one. Look, a little pepper on these. Because veggies, like cucumbers, tomatoes, different things like that, they like pepper and they like a little salt, just a little salt. That's it. That's all for the salt. You know why? Because this baby's got salt. And guess what? We're going to melt that. How am I going to do it? Geez, I wonder if they have an invention that you can melt really fast. I think it's called a microwave. Let's do that. All you need left, if it's a fried egg over toast monstrosity, is the fried egg. One more small salt, a little more pepper. That's it? Well, that's the close-up, but you've got to cut into it to see the whole situation. And there it is. Now a big bite coming up. All right, there it is. Those cubes have gone rogue, but this one's ready. You know what's in it. Now it's going to be in me. Oh. Oh, touch some cheese. You can taste that cheese. But the mayo and the creaminess of that egg is killer. But those cucumbers just really stand out. They're gorgeous. That's simple, easy to make, but delicious. Fun to try. Good way to get your cukes in and your fried eggs in. Because you know, Mike needs his fried eggs. And eggs are healthy for you. So are cucumbers. I think the salt and pepper contrasting with that cucumber, with the melted Havarti, and if you cook the egg just like that, sweet babu. That's all that needs to be said. Except for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Tell everyone you know right now to watch my videos. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Check it out. That's how it starts. That's how I roll. Okay, first thing we're going to do is That's it for the outtake. That's on. For the popper. Ouch. That plate's hot. Some fell. Oh. I made a statement. I'm not backing off. Guess what? Cucumber is good for your digestive system. I have a video about why you should eat cucumber, why you should eat eggs. I don't have one about why you should eat cheese or why you should eat bread. But cucumber is good for your digestive system. It's got antioxidants, zilly boop bop. You know what I'm saying.